Hey everyone, it's Gretchen here, Catnpaws. A Tuesday morning on a Tuesday. This is the sale that started on the 28th of January, which was this past Sunday. I know I just put a haul up, but that was from the week prior. So I had to head on over there, and they put out all kinds of good stuff in the crafty section. Now my store did have the Sizzix machine at $49.99, and they had like probably 20 of these Ott lights. So they did have that all in stock. The other big seller was that cat playground. And there was another one was, these people had a lot of boxes, like the big boxes. So, but the playground was definitely a good seller. I'll show you what I got. Picked up these Fancy Pants Sweet Nothing stickers. And you can see they're kind of maybe like they say puffy hearts, but they're very shiny. And then it goes down into some patterned, and then you got your red, your pink, and that is actually a black. I know I have terrible glare today. A little wintry weather going on. I did take this out of the pack. This is Sweet Nothings. I'll flip it around. I just wanted to show you some of the pieces in here, in case you were curious. I didn't take them all out, but you just couldn't see anything. So a lot of bright colors, pinks, blacks, oranges. I guess yellow, orange. Oh, how cute is that? A lot of little pieces. And then this is what the back of it says there. This is what's in it. And like I said, there's still pieces in there. This is the Sweet Nothings Ephemera pack. There is the SKU number. I think I got most of the collection in the little, packs. I did not get, they had sticky notes. I did not pick those up. As a matter of fact, here are the tags in the Sweet Nothings, tags and labels. Do come with string. And then that is what's inside. I think that's it for the Sweet Nothings. It is. So they did have sticky notes, and I don't know if they have paper or not. If they did, I did not see it at my store. I picked up this Reset Girl, these journal cards, and here's what they look like. So I think there is four of each design. They are 3x4, and there's 24 total. They are double-sided, and I'll show you my favorite one. There's always that one for me that kind of seals the deal. I mean, because I could cut out paper 3x4 with polka dots on it. You all know Gretchen has enough paper. My sister said, "What'd you do? Go spend all your money at Tuesday morning?" Oh, yes. Yes, that's my purpose. They just had some really cool, neat stuff out that I have not seen. There's kind of like water dots on there. But here's the one I particularly picked up for. Right there. Mini library cards. They're very light green. And then I also got... Oops, losing my ephemera, see? And then I try to pick it up, and my fingernails just bend it. Reset Girl, again, these are, I think, library pockets. There's the SKU number. And that's the back of it. 8 pockets and 8 coordinating cards. So the only thing is I did already take these out and look at them, and there's that little library card. No, there's a library card in here. It says memory and date. You can see the paper is folded over and the flaps are on the inside, so it catches that as you put it back in. But I love them. There's the library card. This one's actually on a bluish color, blue-green polka dot paper. See how they say memory on there? And then it has this water splosh on it. This one is cute. Guest check. Oh, it's so mini and cute. Another one with the memory. Okay, that was that. I also picked up this Heidi Swap Ephemera. And you can see it's kind of smushed, but everything looked okay in there. And I'll show you what's in it. I don't know if there's a name to it or not. Let me try to, there. Hopefully you can see that now. I saw those vellum flags or acetate flags and I'm like, oh, I need that. But there's the SKU number. And then I also got the Pebbles printed cardstock shapes. And this is more of a vintage paper. How do I want to say it? More of an older, like the paper's been aged a little bit, I guess. I don't know what the words I'm really looking for. It's not glossy, it's not glittery. It's just older. It's like more of a cream paper. So lots of pieces and yes, another pad of paper. They got new designs in, and I just love these little pads. You know, I make all those little notebooks and stuff. And then, oh, I need to do a video on that. I think I have a new, well, not a new idea. It's an idea I saw on Instagram that I think I could use this for, that a lady tagged me in. They had a couple of the Anna Griffin, these are birthday cards, they're not the bags. They had this one, and they had a couple other styles as well. So you get the envelopes and the cards and the little pieces that go on there, the sentiments. And there is the SKU. So you get 4. That's probably what, 65 cents, 70 cents a card. I guess cheaper if you do it yourself, but I think you could really use that as a pattern and make your own, or at least I could with all my paper. So it does come all with the glue. That's how it holds on, the glue dots. That was one bag. And then, but Tuesday morning had these gift tissues on clearance. They were only 20% off, but how cute are those, the hearts. And I love the scallop. I still have some Christmas one left over. Whimsical Hearts collection. And then this one was 20% off too. And look, they are the candy hearts in pretty pink, mint green, white, and yellow. Different SKU numbers, I believe. Yes. That was 44. This one is 43. And again, scallop 24 sheets. Oh, there's a better shot of it right there. Conversation Hearts collection. So I found those, and then I also found on clearance these favor bags in the green and there are 12, which I think is an excellent deal. So these were 40% off. They came down to $1.19 after the discount. And in the pink, so you got 22, you got 23, and I got one more color. And you got 20, which is in the gray. So this is back in my clearance section. That's all 3 colors they had. Very spring-like, huh? I'm ready for spring. And then, after much anticipated wait, I found the Authentique Sweetheart. This was over where all the lights and the cutting machine was. And they had graphic 45, and they had, there's some other things I've seen lately. And so all the stamps, the new stamps, that kind of thing. So everybody's been kind of hauling those. But I found the paper, yes. Oh my goodness. Real quick, I'll show you, because I know everybody has pretty much hauled this if they weren't looking for it and their store had it. So excited. And then I also picked up the Fabulous. I'll show you that number. Stay sassy. Just trying to get my fingers underneath it there. So real quick, that is what that one looks like. I've seen this one hauled many times. So glad my store got it in. And then one more. The Imagine. And did they have any in the 6x6? If they did, it was the Saucy. They had the Saucy in the 6x6. I did not pick it up. Just some 12x12s. Oh, they did have some paper kits with, you know, with the sticker sheet in a couple, but nothing caught my eye to say pick it up. So I figured, you know, you gotta leave stuff for someone else too. So that is what I got Tuesday morning. I'm so happy to find that stuff. Anyways, take it easy and have a great day. Bye.